Did you know that 90% of content agency cannot hit that $10,000 per month because their offer sucks? I literally went from dead broke on the couch of my mom's apartment towards $10,000 per month in 3, 4, 5 months with the right offer. So if you are stuck making $2,000 to $3,000 per month, you don't have an attention span of a goldfish because this video is pure information, then this video is the right one for you because I explain the whole journey from $0 to $10,000 per month with the right offer in my agency. So step one is picking the right format. So if you are in the cosmos of YouTube long form, then stick to it. When you're better in short form, then stick to short form. But I think you are into long form because obviously you're watching right now YouTube and this might be rather your universe kind of. So step two is building a client getting funnel. So you should know how to create the right videos, which get the right views, but then also you should explain towards your clients and have expertise to narrow these views into a funnel to get book calls into the calendar for your clients. So it's like videos, lead magnet, and then booked sales call. The next step is to choose the right niche you should do it for, because it doesn't matter, or it's not the right thing to do it, for example, for any low leverage B2C channel where somebody is doing it as a hobby. No, you should offer it towards businesses which have a high ticket offer, which are, for example, in real estate. So I have multiple channels in real estate, multiple clients in real estate, where we acquire customers in the real estate space. And when I bring them 1 or 2 clients, they already made their money back. Even when I bring them 1 client, they already have their money back. And this is easy to make money for me, obviously, to get customers which pay me $3,000 to $4,000 per month. And the next step is, obviously, when you have the right offer, you need to create testimonials and scale your outreach and get more customers, either with cold DMs, cold calls, or also with content where you post about your success on X, Twitter, for example, and you get those clients inbound because they want to have the same results which you build it in the past. I have even more information in the free video where I explain how to hit $10,000 per month with a YouTube agency. You will find the link in the description, first link in the description. And when you found value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye-bye.